It was a very ordinary day, except that it was too windy. And at the bus stop, I noticed this tiny creature, a little pigeon that could not fly. I did not have a lot of time for thinking and decided to take it since there were lots of stray dogs around, which was too dangerous. We found some books in the cafe nearby and came home. On my way home, I also found someone's ID card. What a lucky day for the new findings. At home, I gave birds some water and thought I need a special food for the birds. The bird is very weak and looks quite sleepy. The bird did not drink from the big plate and I proposed a smaller one, and it worked. Then I headed to the shop, but first came to the building nearby to ask whether they know an owner of the ID card. The owner was not found, but I noticed a cool exhibition of pictures of the old city. It has changed so much since then. Then I came to the shop and was instructed that this is a food for the birds that can speak. On my way home, there is a place where someone feeds pigeons. Each and every day, a pigeon place. There are also very beautiful trees with flowers. At home, I tried to feed the cutie. But it was with no luck. I also thought that at some point it might be better to move bird to the balcony, but I needed to ensure that the bird won't fall from there, so I started making a protection from the cornflakes box. I made only a half and will continue later. I hope this cutie will recover soon. A good news is that the owner of the ID card was found today. I posted a message in the Telegram chat and her friend saw it. In the evening, I came to the beach to look for the cardboard box for the pigeon and saw this huge dog that I call Bear. I think many people are scared of her, so I decided to give her some treats and run away quickly.